Hello, hi, and I really thank you very much for purchasing this amazing course in magic. It's called as Life-Changing Magic Course with Easy Resource. I'm the author of the book Source. So there's a very strange thing, strange flow which has come to me, and that tells me that whatever you are doing in this life is only because of Source. Because I believe there is a creator. There's a creator who has created entirely the whole of the universe, whatever the creations you see, and he is responsible for our creation too, and he has the blueprint of what we are doing today. And we are born basically because there's a purpose behind our birth, and in this birth we have to fulfill that purpose. So you see, I always was interested in the field of magic, though I was interested in many other things. I'm like a Reiki Grandmaster, I'm an astrologer, I'm a numerologist, I'm into digital marketing, I'm into media consulting, and so on. But magic always fascinated me. Actually, I used to stay in Dwarka, and I used to travel from Dwarka to Old Delhi to Connaught Place, even from Delhi to Kolkata and other places, just in search of magic. I really loved that subject. I learned magic from my father. And when I launched my own shows and there was a little bit of people started recognizing me, I even trained magicians like Shah Rukh Khan and all. I promised that when I will have time and space and I will have all those kind of tools, I will definitely create a course in magic. So I don't know whether that intention was from me or from the source. In last year, during this COVID time, I launched a book. I've written a book. It was published by Notion Plus and it's available in Amazon, in Flipkart stores. And the name of the book is called as The Source. So in the book also, in one of the chapters I mentioned about my interest in magic and how I've trained Hollywood stars like Shah Rukh Khan and all. So leave that apart, but I believe that behind everything we do, there is a congruence. There has to be a congruence. There has to be an alignment with the source and with the heaven. And then if it happens, then things happen very magically. So if you are feeling interested in this field of magic, there must be something that Source wants you to do. Magic is a very interesting science. It encompasses almost every art. It has design, it has creation, it has thought process, it has illusions, it has use of left and right hand. It increases your intelligence ability. It helps in also healing. Yeah, trust me, because in many countries, in many places, magic is used as a healing tool. It is used to increase the efficiency of the brain. Learning magic gives an entertainment value. So in one way or the other, you are actually giving happiness to people. You're entertaining people. So you're doing a great job by learning magic. So if you're here in this page, I really thank you for purchasing the product. If you have still not purchased the product, you can go downstairs. Just go down, not downstairs, down in this page, and you will find a link. You can click on the link and you can go to a page. Now once you click on the page where you will purchase the product, you may have got a page like a page where you are asked to make a payment. And once you make a payment, what you have received, you have received or you will receive a password. Now keep the password very stable. And what it will do, once you enroll for this course, it will directly take you to this one-pager website, which is full of tons of information. But this doesn't have secret, okay? Now this page has 8 sections in it. If you can say 8 major sections, which is like it's going to introduce you to the world of magic, then the coin magic, learn card magic, learn mental magic, all those things are there. Now in each section you will find 4 video links, and if you click on the image or if you click on the video links, the name of the videos you will click, it will take you to the secret page. Now it will ask for a guest login, guest password. You have to fill the same password which was sent to you via mail. So once you put the password, the secret page will pop up. It will show you the effect and it will give you the explanation of the video. Right. Now after you see each and every video, I request you, or if you finish one section, there are sections. So if you finish one section video, I request you to come back and just see the follow-up video in this one-pager thing. So follow-up video is a very formal video, as I'm speaking to you. I will suggest some kind of suggestions or flow which has come. Like I will ask you to do practice, how you should do practice. For example, like what is the best method of practicing a coin magic? How can you do that? Or for example, in mental magic, there is something called a center of material. I may ask you to be very, very careful, because you are handling fire. And trust me, this whole course is using very, very easy resources. Okay, so you don't have to spend much amount of money, only you have to spend money in buying the product. Okay, and I will further request you if you go down, there is a Google form. I request you to fill up the form. Now if you fill up the form, I will be able to understand where exactly are you, whether you're a student, whether you're a professional, whether you're a parent who are getting this course for someone, or you really wanted to take it for a professional venture. What is your interest in magic? Why do you want to take it? You want to increase your intelligence? So there's a question. I really request you to fill up the form. See, buying this course is your first step. So there is a relationship which I wanted to build. I'm into many things. I'm into astrology, I'm into numerology, I'm into Reiki. We have a huge network. I'm trying to create a source network. And trust me, we have got one of the best people who are working in different fields. You may be in a particular field, and you all in a particular sphere, and you may all the time require some suggestions, guidance. So you, from time to time, I would like to meet those people who are in requirement, or who may require my product according to the forms they have filled. Right, so the Google form is very, very important, and it will help us. It will help us to categorize all the people whom future we can serve in a much, much more better way. Okay, in this page also you will get link for my one-to-one coaching. If you click on the link, again it will take you to one payment gateway. It is a little expensive, but there you will be able to access my expertise one-to-one coaching. Now that if you are out of Delhi, if you're present in Delhi, you can directly come to my magic studio and we can have a good time together. It's a 6-week process, 5 week one-to-one rigorous training, and 1 week I'm going to take test from your side. So this is the whole scenario. I really thank you that you have purchased this course. I really wanted you to have fun. But see, one more important thing. If you are a student, I request you to first finish up your studies and then come to this, because anything you do in this world, knowledge is most essential. So just focus on the study. But here, when you practice magic, you practice in a much more professional way and come on with. I also request you, once you finish up this section, or you can create your own video, send it across to me. If you can send me the 8 section videos, anything to do. So for example, you've learned something from the world of magic and history of magic. You gather information that what have you got from the history of magic, make a video of that, keep it ready with you. Secondly, if you learn coin magic, from the coin magic, create your own version of the magic and send a video to me. Similarly, follow each and every step. Just send me one video from each section. So that means you will have 8 videos. If you send me 8 videos, I like the videos, I will give you marks and I will send you a certificate signed by me. Okay? From my institute. My institute is called as International Academy of Illusion and Magic. And also, I will be continuously giving you notifications about our other courses, fabulous courses, our advanced courses, our courses in mathematics, our courses in maths, Vedic mathematics. If you're interested, you will keep getting all the information in this one pager. So one pager is an interactive page. So at the end of this page, I've also given a checklist. So you can keep checking what have you done, what have you not done. See, in magic, you need to practice. You need to practice. First, you need to know the technique. Now, knowing the technique is not going to make you a magician. Now, first is knowing the technique, then take that apparatus, just prepare your hands, prepare your mindset, okay? And then, what you have to do, you have to practice. Now, do practice in front of the mirror, do practice in front of your camera, do practice in front of your close friends or family or people. Then go and practice in front of others. In between, once you feel completely confident with you, prepare a video, send it to me. What I'm going to do, I will also, you can do one more thing. You can add a testimonial of it. How did you find this? Okay, I'm going to feature you in this. I'm going to create a a kind of a hub. It's a magical hub under the source hub. The source hub is a very big hub, but under the source hub, people who are interested in magic, I'm creating a hub of them. So under their hub, I will be sending across your testimonial, your video, and let people comment on that. So what will happen? See, the next future is after COVID-19, we are into online. So online is a new opportunity. It's actually a golden opportunity. So people are earning millions in trust me, in online ventures. So even magic can be shown and can be ventured, can be taught using the power of the digital medium. So this can be your one point where people will start recognizing you. So I may be featuring you in my YouTube channel, I may be featuring you in my Facebook and social media channels where many people interact, and I'm into various versions. So this is going to be your one point for fame, right? So with that, I really want you to always keep an eye on this one pager, and also if you fill up the Google form, so that I can send you my own updates on my different informations and other courses and other services which I can serve. Okay, I thank you once again. I give you all the very best that you turn out to be a wonderful magician, wonderful person, wonderful humanity. You serve yourself, your family, your friends, relatives, and the world. And one day all of you become proud of you. See you in the videos.